Hello everyone, this lesson we learn another Solidworks tutorial. Simulation. Look at this picture. How to make this simulation? Firstly, let's learn another new terminology related to this practice. Simulation in Chinese read 仿真,仿真,仿真. Okay, now let's get started. Double-click Solidworks icon. Open the software. Click File button. New File. Part. OK. Choose Units. We choose millimeter. OK. Next, click Front, Plan, Sketch. Click Line button. We draw a line from here. Like this. Select Pivot Dimension. Here we choose 40 millimeter. Here we choose 80 millimeter. Here we choose 10 millimeter. Here we also choose 10 millimeter. Here we choose 15 millimeter. Okay. Next, we choose Feature button. Click Extruded Box. Here we input 20 millimeter. Okay, now we get this model. Next, we click Simulation button. New calculation. Static type. Okay. Next, we click Part button. We choose Align Steel. Apply, close. Okay. Next, we click this button. Fixed. Okay. We can fix different surface. Now we fix this surface. Okay. Next, we click this button, give force. We can give force to different surfaces. Now we choose this line and select one direction. Now the force is given to this edge. The force we choose 100 new. Okay. Next, click this button, calculation. Okay. Now the result displayed here. Look at here. The red color area means the stress is maximum. We click this button, animation. Now look. This area means the stress is the maximum. Next, we click this button, display. Now look at this end. The red color means this end have the maximum displacement. Now we click this button. This means another stress. Okay, this is what we learned in this lesson. See you next time.